Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Terrell and I'm here with you to discuss some fun 4th of July treats or snacks that you can do with your family. So we have some pieces here, some almond bark, food coloring so that we can make some very fun festive colors. And then we move on to our snack items. So we just chose some crispy treats, pretzel sticks, and some sandwich cookies that you can get from the store. You can get any brand is fine, doesn't matter. We use some of the just general store brands too. So then you take your almond bark and you melt it in the microwave. There's also some other suggestions on how to process the almond bark if you would like to follow those. Just follow the package directions. So today we have a red and a blue for our 4th of July snacks. And we used all of these items, so we'll venture on down here. Sometimes you might want to get a fork to help dip out anything that you cover totally. And then you can use a spatula to stir around as you're melting. So just make sure you're following the package directions when you do that. A little bit of the food coloring goes a long way. So just put in a little at a time, mix it up, and then keep testing it to see if you got the desired color you want. So then we come down to the final piece. Before the chocolate or the almond bark dries, you want to make sure to add some sprinkles. So we picked up just a variety pack that you can get from Walmart. They're out and about right now. And so then you can dip whatever items you want. And so here's one of our finished products. You could add a popsicle stick to the bottom of the Rice Krispie treats to have kind of a popsicle looking treat also. Other things that you could do that we did not do today is strawberries. Any kind of fruit would be fun to do. So this is something fun you can do with your kids or someone in your family to prepare for your 4th of July gatherings this weekend. So if you have any questions, let us know. Pinterest is a great place to find some really cool things also. Comment below. We would like to see the treats and things that you are putting together for your 4th of July celebrations with your families. All right, have a good 4th. We'll see you later.